Hello guys, good afternoon. So ngayong hapon dito tayo sa Sky Ranch dito sa Tagaytay City, and we are going to have a tour. So we book a ticket ng Unli Rides dito sa Sky Ranch, and itatry natin yung mga rides nila dito. So iikotin natin and check kung ano yung mga amenities and tours na makikita dito. So here's the link ng mga website na pinagbukan namin ng ticket. So let's go. So yung first ride na trinay namin is yung Sky Eye, and this is a very advisable ride kasi dito makikita yung view ng buong Tagaytay and also the Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano. So overlooking yung buong Tagaytay City and of course the nearby cities is makikita din sa sobrang taas niya. So that's why it was called Sky Eye. And then next is the coaster. So ito yung usual sa mga rides na makikita dito. There are a lot of mga rides and this is one of the best also. Sige ba na? Then after the coaster, we tried this Red Baron. So isa lang siyang maliit na rides, and actually parang pambata lang siya, pero since part siya nung package, try na din namin siya sakyan. And although masaya siya, pero nakakahilo since maliit yung rotation ng ano niya, ng planes. After we try the Red Baron, we go to the next ride, which is the bump car. So we also try other rides here na hindi na makikita sa video since mabilisan lang siya. Then here we are at the bump car. So dito napakahaba ng pila, so we have to wait for a long line before we had the privilege to try these rides. So it only took, I think, 5 to 10 minutes rides, but we really enjoyed this one. Ito na tayo, ito na tayo. After the bump car, we tried the zip line. Although hindi na makikita din sa video since bawal mag-video doon while nag-zip line. So we just have souvenir pictures after the zip line. Then again, we try Again, the sky ay since itong rides na to is unlimited and part siya dun sa package, and also we want to try the evening view of the whole Tagaytay and of course the Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano. So iba kasi yung appreciation mo sa umaga din sa gabi, since talagang napaka kakaiba talaga yung view niya. So ma-appreciate mo sa talaga yung lightnings and yung difference nila ng day at then sa night. So then we proceed to the drop tower. So ito yung parang aakyat tapos biglang babagsak. So ang saya niya, and I also like this one kasi hindi siya nakakahilo since akyat baba siya, and yung rotations niya is tuloy-tuloy. So in between rides, we tour around the Sky Ranch. Tumingin-tingin kami sa mga paninda dito and yung mga display, and of course yung mga pwedeng mabili foods and souvenirs. So there are also mascots here. Pwede kayo magpa-picture. So inikot muna namin at tinignan namin kung ano pa ang mga rides na hindi pa namin na-try. So after that, we proceed to the express train. So nung day, medyo mahaba yung pila dito kaya hindi namin na-try. So nung gabi na namin na-avail yung train since hapon na din kami pumunta dito. So yung express train, ikutin niya yung buong Sky Ranch. Then makikita mo dito lahat ng mga rides. Actually advisable siya for makadating nyo kung ito agad yung sasakyan nyo, since makikita nyo yung buong area and lalaman nyo kung nasaan yung mga rides na pwede nyo subukan. Then we try another coaster, which is the love coaster. Ito yung medyo nasa dulo ng Sky Ranch. And this is one of the best coaster na nasakyan namin dito since ang haba ng ruta niya and marami siyang mga steep turns. So sulit siya kasi makakailang ikot siya from its track. I think 3, and yung track niya is napakahaba talaga, so talaga may enjoy mo yung love coaster na to. And of course we try this 2 times, so talagang nasulit namin yung rides na to. So although hindi namin na-videohan yung mga rides na na-try namin and yung ibang rides na hindi namin nasubukan, so kayo na lang mag-explore pag pumunta kayo dito. So there are a lot of rides na pwede nyo masubukan dito sa Sky Ranch, and of course there are also lots of foods, souvenirs, and other tourist destinations na pwede nyo i-try. So talaga nakaka-enjoy dito sa Sky Ranch. So I encourage you to visit and try this place. That's all. Thank you.